Hello guys, good morning from this channel and it's rightly dividing the word of truth. I'm here to introduce to you some updates. So in the channel we always share the gospel by the grace of God because this channel is a variety of different things to discuss with. We are also having the health reviews. We also have travel vlogs and also Philippine immigration. Then also the weather and news from both international and local. So for today, ang aking namang topic ngayon is about sa preparation. So I'm already done. Naka-pack up na ako ng aking mga bags. Ito man ang aking leveling up sa aking trip for my purpose in having this vacation. So sa ngayon, kasi ang puntahan ko is my home country, Philippines. I'm here in the e-travel. We have to do it 3 days or 72 hours before the trip. So by now, ang aking ginawa is to go to the website. This is one of the requirement upon entry in the immigration, Philippines, etravel.gov.ph. So this is about the form, the online here in e-travel, but I guess it is just temporary as I heard. Ang requirement for getting into the entry is another next by September. So sa ngayon, ito pa ang kailangan. All travelers from international is etravel.gov.ph. By September, ang sabi is already a biometric. I think that is still done here in the online, having your fingerprints and other information. Onboarding personal information. First, I submitted a valid email. My valid email, then create an account in the etravel.gov.ph. So that is the website. That is the first step before you will have your flight from a foreign country. Ito ang unang gagawin mo, etravel.gov.ph. So bukas ko pa ito isubmit. I just look at the website and fill in the primary things about kailangan ang valid email plus your valid password. So nakasubmit ako. Then ang photo, ang kailangan ng photo is upload from your file or take a photo as you are going to fill up the required entries of the etravel.gov.ph. So ginawa ko na yan. Then sa ngayon, ikaw ba ay Philippine passport holder o foreign passport holder? Sa akin, ginawa iya. Ang aking passport ay foreign. So yan, i-submit ko rin yan ang ibang mga ang kailangan, ano ang i-submit dito. So fill up the first name, then middle name, the last name, then your sex, male or female, birth date, so mobile number in the Philippines, your citizenship, country birth and passport number, passport issuing authority, this is passport issuing date, occupation. So, submit natin ngayon, pero wala akong mobile phone number in the Philippines, dito lang sa US. So, isubmit ko ang aking pangalan ngayon. Hindi naman ako nagmadali because bukas is the final submission. So, ngayon, kasi may ituturo ko lang dito kung paano gagawin. So, nandito na. Then, next is I have to complete this first. Then, birth date. Yung birthday mo, kailangan 07, yan ang magdaan. Magsimula sa 0 kung one number for, ako sa July, this is 07. Then, birth date is full year. So, mobile number, wala ako dyan. Wala ako dyan because my citizenship is not Filipino anymore. Naturalized ako. So, ito na ang aking isubmit. Wala. Filipino citizenship, hindi pa din ako. I really have to submit another one. So, tapusin ko lang ito para makita natin ano pang ibang hiningian. So, passport number, kunin ko ang aking passport. So, the passport holder, ganito ang passport with RFID para hindi yan madali makuha o matampered ng number kung ano-ano. So, this is my passport for the e-travel. Ito. Kunin natin ang number. Ito. So, isubmit ko ito ngayon. Hindi pa ngayon, bukas ko pa ito isubmit because tomorrow will be the 72 hours. 3 days, 72 hours. 46. So, 27, 49. Passport issuing authority. Still the same sa aking citizenship. So, ito ang gagawin 72 hours before your flight. Para makita pa natin kung ano pa ang sunod. Kung hindi ko matapos ito ngayon, siguro hindi ito matapos. Because I have to have this one tomorrow. Alright, passport. Then passport issued when? Alright, dito ako. Finish. So, occupation daw. So, I am a retired teacher na. Retire na ako. Alright. Di man tinanggap. Alright. Hindi tinanggap ang aking anong kulang dito. 0 siguro. 08. 08. 20. 24. Oh, ito na. Then, next. Uy. Required. Naghingi ng aking isang phone number. So, US ang isubmit ko. Hindi Philippines. Wala pa akong phone number sa Philippines. Wala akong phone number sa Philippines. Itong sa US ang isubmit ko. Alright. Nandiyan na. So, next. So, nandito lang sa cellphone ha. Pili sa cellphone. Country. Permanent country of residence. So, nandito ako sa US. Then, address. Naghingi ng address number. House number. Oh, naghingi ng address. State. Then, city, then state. Oh. Alright. Next. Oh, andyan na. Oh, onboarding summary. So, nandyan na aking foreign passport. This is a review. Foreign passport holder. So, yan ang aking email address. Saka, to name ang aking pangalan sa passport. Then, passport number, check. Passport issuing authority, check. Passport issue date, check. Then, 16 death birth. Sana wala itong namali, country. Death, place of birth, country. So, Philippines. The citizenship and mobile number in the States. Country of residence. Submit. Cellphone lang ako simula. So, sabi dito, your profile is complete. Your profile is complete. You may only register within 72 hours prior to your arrival or departure in the Philippines. Travelers are joined to present their e-travel QR code to flight boarding. So, hindi pa ako ni-allow pag submit because tomorrow could be just 72 hours. So, wala ngayon. Travel registration for me. Check ko na lang ito. Arrival. Then, for clicking continue due to our data privacy and under affidavit of undertaking. Kailangan dito na magkaroon tayo ng QR code to flight boarding. So, siguro mag-asi ito ang ticket na naman. So, continue. Nag-continue na tayo. Purpose of travel. Next, travel details. Purpose of travel. So, mayroong conference ang puntahan ko. So, yan ang aking purpose of travel. Traveler type aircraft. Passenger, the name of Airlines, United. flight number. Oh. Ang aking flight number daw. So, nandito ang aking ticket. Flight number is, sulat ko ang aking flight number. Flight number. Kung hindi ko man tapos ito ngayon, submit ko na lang sa bukas. But at least I give you the information on how to fill up sa etravel.gov.ph. So, flight number tapos na. Country of origin. The same. Country of origin. Airport origin. Date of departure, April. So, 04 na naman ulit tayo, 04. Kasi sa April. Then, connecting flight. May connecting flight tayo. Connecting flight. Japan ang aking connecting flight. So, Japan. Airport of Transit. Narita. April 30, 4/30/2025. Airport of destination. Airport of destination. So, nandyan sa Cebu tayo, Lapu-Lapu. Saan ba dito ang Lapu-Lapu? Mactan. So, Mactan dito, arrival. So, nandito na naman ulit. The same sa Japan. 0. Date of arrival. Bakit hindi ito pinayagan? Hotel. Prime World Hotel ako doon sa Mactan, Lapu-Lapu. Close. So hindi pa ako allowed. Kaya date of arrival, hindi pa allowed. Hindi nila tinanggap. So, patuloy lang ito bukas. Hindi nila tinanggap ang date of arrival. Kasi hindi pa man ako ngayon mag-submit. Kahit inulit-ulit ko, ayaw nila. 2025. So, done. So, hindi pa. So, hindi pa ina-allow nila. Close. Next. Date of arrival. Date of arrival daw. So, hindi pa nila, hindi pa kunin. So, okay, ito, i-save na lang natin. Hindi pa man nila kunin. Save na lang natin. Save na lang. So, mangyari ang etravel.gov.ph, hindi nila tanggapin pag hindi pa mag 72 hours before travel. So, hanggang lang ko doon sa mga items na kanilang tinanggap. So, ang date of arrival, hindi nila tinanggap kasi advance pa. So, isave ko na lang ito. I-send ko na lang sa aking email para masave. Di pa nila tanggapin. So, alright. So, hanggang dito lang aking video. Hindi nila tinanggap. Advance pa ako ng 1 day. So, bukas ko pa ito ibalik o tapusin lahat. Maghingi pa ng bago siguro. Tingnan ko lang. Tingnan ko lang kung ano ba. Kopyahin ko lang ito then send to my email. Send to my email. Send to my email. Ayaw pa na kanila ipasubmit. So nga, I hope na mayroon na kayong idea kung paano naman ihanda ang e-travel na form for our trip, for the trip next week. So, I hope and pray mag-survival kayo. Bigay ko pa rin kung saan ako, kung ano bang ibang mga handaan or what will other procedures sa magkaroon ng mga baguhan sa pagkaroon ng ganitong biyahe. 9 years, almost 10 years na ako, hindi pa ako travel back to my home country. So thank you so much. Till next in my channel, Ines Rightly Dividing the Word of Truth. Please subscribe to my channel. And then also hit the bell, then also like and share for others, those who plan to have a flight trip to a certain country. So especially in the Philippines, ganito ang gagawin. 72 hours mag-submit ng etravel.gov.ph na isang requirement pagpasok sa entry sa country. Maraming salamat.